The Hovsco HovAlpha. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Hovsco HovAlpha electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside, it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, pedals, and kickstand. Now here's the bike fully assembled. The assembly process was straightforward. Basically, you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, install the pedals, and then there are fenders included with this, but I opted not to install them. So that's pretty much it, and you're good to go. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, army green and dark gray. It also has a step-through version. It has an aluminum alloy frame, 750 watt rear hub motor, 1300 watt peak power with 90 Newton meters of torque, 48 volt 20 amp hour lithium battery, 60 to 80 mile range, 28 mile per hour top speed, 26 by 4 inch all-terrain fat tires, 5 pedal assist levels and a twist throttle, Shimano 7-speed, LCD display and app integration, hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear lights and fenders. It weighs in at 72.8 pounds and has a max load of 450 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a front suspension, 26 by 4 inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, the battery, kickstand, hydraulic disc brakes, and rear light. On the other side, you can see the 750 watt rear motor and the 7-speed cassette. The handlebar area, you have the brake levers, thumb throttle, controls, LCD display, gear shifter, and front light. So powering up the bike, you have the controls on the left side here. So you just want to hold down the power button. And then you can see the display power up. And it's nice and large. Pressing the plus button will increase the pedal assist. There's 5 levels. So 1 through 5. And then the minus will decrease it. Pressing the power button again will toggle the odometer, trip. And then you have also the light button here, so pressing that, holding that down will activate the front light. And then finally, holding down the minus button for a few seconds will activate the walk assist. As mentioned earlier, this has app integration, and once you're connected, you can see the overall charge, odometer, the speedometer, average speed, ride time, and even connect with other riders. A unique feature that I haven't seen on any other e-bike is that the battery comes with a light. Once you remove the battery, there's a button on the side which you can cycle through various modes, low, medium, high, and a flash. It's nice to have for emergencies. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. All right, now time for the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy and there's gravel on the side. The bike does have the front suspensions along with the fat tires, and it also has a lockout feature. Currently the lockout feature is off, so the suspension should go to work. All right, here we go, rough terrain test. All right, very smooth so far. I can feel the suspension's going to work. It's absorbing the bumps. Handling very well here onto the gravel. Took that with ease. Now onto the speed test. The bike does have the 5 pedal assist levels, and it also has the thumb throttle. I'm going to start off with the pedal assist, go through each level and see how fast it goes, and then after that we'll use the thumb throttle. All right, here we go, pedal assist 1. You can feel the pickup once you start pedaling. All right, we're at about 13 miles 14 miles per hour on pedal assist 1, moving to 2, about 19, 21, 22, pedal assist 3, about 23 miles per hour on pedal assist 3, 24, moving to pedal assist 4, in 26, and pedal assist 5. About 27 on pedal assist 5. Okay, so with the pedal assist, we reached 27 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'm just going to use the thumb throttle. All right, here we go. Speed test with the thumb throttle. All right, nice smooth acceleration there. The motor is fairly quiet, a little bit loud when it starts to pick up speed, and then it just levels off. So with the thumb throttle, looks like we're peaking at about 20 miles per hour. A little bit of an incline here on the road. And we're hitting 19 to 20. So 20 miles per hour with the thumb throttle only. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes, and you can use the parking lines as reference. Now I'm going to do the uphill test. I'm going to take it up this road. It has a nice gradual incline throughout. I'm going to use the thumb throttle only. So we saw that with the speed test, we maintained about 20 miles per hour. So let's see if we lose speed or if we maintain the speed as we go up the road. After that, we'll just do the downhill test. All right, here we go, uphill test. Okay, we're picking up speed gradually here. We are approaching 20 miles per hour. We're at 20 miles per hour. All right, so we're gonna begin to climb at about 18 miles per hour here. All right, we're picking up some speed, 19. So we're maintaining the speed. It's powering through here. It looks like doing it with no issues, plenty of power. Holding 19 miles per hour. All right, a little bit of a downhill here into the turn. Just gonna let it glide. So with the uphill test, we began the climb at roughly 18 miles per hour, gained a little bit of speed as we went up to 19, and then just maintained that throughout. So 19 miles per hour, plenty of power. Now let's see how it does going downhill, and let's see how it handles. All right, here we go, downhill test. All right, I'm probably gonna have to slow it down here as we approach this turn. We're at about 22, just letting it glide. Very stable. No rattles, no vibration. The steering is responsive. Feels very smooth. So holding about 19 miles per hour is making it downhill. We're hitting 20. So holding 20 miles per hour. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a matte gray finish and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. The bike feels solid and well put together, and it handled very well. The frame is on the larger side, but it was a perfect fit for me. The cables are well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is wide and soft, very comfortable. No issues during longer rides. The handlebars are decent length. The steering felt stable and tight. No rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces with ease. The front suspensions along with the fat tires absorbed a lot of the bumps. The 750 watt motor, 1300 watt peak was strong. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 18 miles per hour. With pedal assist, I reached 27 miles per hour and 20 miles per hour with the thumb throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 80 miles. But that will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The hydraulic brakes were very strong and grabbed on quick as you saw through my test. It came to a complete stop in a short distance. The display is large and intuitive, easy to read, but it does get washed out on bright sunny days. Overall, I feel this is a solid fat tire bike, one of the better ones that I have tested. Handled well and was fun to ride, capable of handling various terrain and plenty of power. So that is my review of the Hovsco HovAlpha electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.